Our attention to our weather. It sounds like we are going to crank up the wind machine once again. Here's Chief Meteorologist Jay Trobec.
We sure are, Don, although it will be a southerly wind to start the day tomorrow, so that strong wind will help to warm us up. Take a look at what's going on right now. It is a warm day and a warm evening across the area. Temperatures are still in the 40s to low 50s. Today was another one of those above average days. We do have the high clouds starting to move in from the northwest, and the veil of clouds will overspread the area tomorrow, but not enough to cut off our heating. Overnight tonight, lows in the 30s, a very mild night. Then for tomorrow, a windy, mostly sunny 62 in Sioux Falls with a breezy southwest wind, 60 Aberdeen, 65 in Pierre, 56 in Rapid City, although the winds will be very strong in western South Dakota out of the northwest. And those northwest winds will cool us down for the rest of the week. I'll tell you about that in just a few minutes.
When seconds count, trust Keloland Live Doppler, brought to you by Sanford Trauma 5 and Keloland TV.
Here we are, the second week in November, and the question everybody's asking the weather guys around town is, where's the snow? And one reason they may be asking that is, by this date last year, Sioux Falls already had 2.4 inches of snow, and Pierre had a couple inches of snow, and Mitchell had about an inch of snow, and here in Watertown about half inch of snow. Well, it's just plain warm, and we really don't see any huge systems on the way. In fact, looking at this week, one more super warm day for tomorrow. As mentioned before, warm and breezy in the east, windy in the west, most places in the 60s. In other words, close to 20 degrees warmer than normal. But a front does come through, and behind that front, Wednesday through Friday, looking dry. High temps falling back through the 40s, in other words, approaching where they should normally be for the second week in November. And then looking ahead to the weekend, we do see an increase in clouds, and there will be at least a chance for some rain or snow, a little something coming through that we'll be watching, and you'll see that in your extended forecast in just a couple minutes. Temperatures right now at our weather nets, and remember these update every few seconds. They're mostly at schools around the area, and we're still warm in Rapid City. 59 degrees at Thomas More School, 51 Pierre at Georgia Moore School. And here in Sioux Falls, looks like it's going to be a very warm rest of the evening. We're at 49 right now at Patrick Henry. Temperatures, even at this hour, are above our normal temps for this time of year. Let's take a look at our sky cam from Mitchell this morning. You saw those thick clouds we started the day with, but then they thinned out during the afternoon, letting the sun shine through. And in Sioux Falls, this is our mall cam. You see perfectly blue skies this afternoon, but the other thing about our afternoon weather, the air was extremely dry, which is why we didn't get any rain or snow or anything in Sioux Falls out of those clouds this morning. You do see the dew point was only 16 this afternoon, and the humidity just 22%, which is very dry. That's like wintertime dry air, but at least it gave us the nice blue sunshine after those clouds did sink to the south. We did get a couple sprinkles, places like Tyndall down to the south, but most places stayed dry today. Now we do have these mainly high clouds starting to move in from the northwest, and that's the cloud cover that will affect us for tomorrow. Today's high, 55 in Sioux Falls. That's 11 degrees warmer than normal, and with strong south winds, we actually made it to 62 in Rapid City. Your future scan forecast showing the cloud cover. Tomorrow morning, Sioux Falls starts with sunshine, then those high clouds start to come in from the northwest, and that's what we'll see during the day. These are thicker, lower clouds coming in tomorrow evening, and that's the main cold front. After these pass, a wind switch to the northwest, and it starts to cool down. Here is the Keloland Live Doppler forecast for your area. For Sioux Falls, a mild overnight, low temp around 31, and then with those mostly sunny skies, just the high clouds coming in, we'll top out at 62 with a strong southwest wind, 15 to 25. Aberdeen breezy as well, with a few more clouds out there. Southwest breeze 15 to 25. For Pierre, we'll see a high temp of 65 with the lower clouds coming in with the front. Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour by late in the afternoon. And Rapid City, you're under that wind advisory we were telling you about. Northwest winds 25 to 40, and as a result, a high of just 56 degrees. The 7-day outlook for Sioux Falls, Wednesday, a high of only 50. There's that cool air behind the front. 47 Thursday, 43 Friday, 45 Saturday, and then that chance for rain or snow or both Sunday and Monday. Timing issues still to be worked out in the computer models, but we'll put it in for late in the weekend. Aberdeen's high only 46 by Wednesday, 42 Thursday, 40s into the early part of the weekend, and then you do see that chance of rain or snow Sunday, Monday. For Pierre, we'll cool it down to 50 by Wednesday, 49 Thursday, Friday, and the chance for rain or snow Saturday and Sunday, and lots of clouds on Monday. and Rapid City, pretty much the same story, chilling down to 47 Wednesday, then rebounding a bit toward the weekend with that chance at least for some precipitation.
All right, well, in Keloland, winter temperatures continue to be warmer than in years past, but what about the snow?
Meteorologist Scott Mundt looks at the past decades.
While recent winters have been warm, they haven't been without snow. This graphic shows our average snow per decade since the 50s. The snowiest decade was in the 90s with an average of 46 inches. The least amount of snow fell in the 70s with an average of about 33 inches. Average temperatures were also low. In fact, a number of record low temperatures were set in the 70s, making it one of the coldest decades on record. Cold air doesn't hold as much moisture as warm air, so it's harder to get snow. So far this decade, Sioux Falls has received an average of 42.6 inches. The most snow we saw was in the winter of 2000-2001 with 57.9. The least amount of snow was in 2004-2005 with 27.4. How will this winter fare? I'll have your snowfall prediction later this week. For Keloland Weather, I'm meteorologist Scott Mundt.
Look forward to it.